Hey, what's up guys? David Hoffman here from Davidsbeenhere. Today I'm going to give you my 9-month Rogaine journey results. Since May of 2018, I've been using Rogaine every single day, and I gotta say, I'm extremely happy with the results. Look at my head. It is full. I'm serious guys. It's so different than what it was in early 2018. I mean, I remember when I was filming videos, I was always so conscious about this. I would put on a hat. That's why I was wearing hats so often in 2017 and 2018. And now I don't have to do that. I like going out. I like showing off my head of hair. And yeah, the way Rogaine works is basically every single day, twice a day, apply it. It's very easy. Just open it up, right? Like that. Right there. And then put it on in the front and in the middle, wherever you're balding. But the main thing with Rogaine is to stick to it. I mean, every single day, twice a day, apply it and you will get results. 9 out of 10 men who have been experiencing hair loss get results. And as you can see, I mean, look, the flashback of me in May of 2018 is completely different from me now. I mean, it really looks full. It looks darker and you can't see the baldness, and I'm so happy. I mean, I'm gonna use Rogaine for the rest of my life. I highly recommend it. It's amazing and it's affordable, only $30 a month. So I mean, you can't go wrong with Rogaine. If you're experiencing hair loss and you want to do something about it and you feel bad, get yourself Rogaine and never stop using it. Well guys, I hope you love this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome travel content. I'll see you in the next travel food adventure somewhere around the world. Peace.